Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Further Maths A-Level Pure Core 1 past paper June 2012. This is actually a new question to Pure Core 1, so I've added this question into the paper myself. So we have a cubic equation, alpha, beta, gamma as the roots. We need to find an equation that has roots 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1 and 2 gamma plus 1, and the equation needs to be in the form of w's. So what we have here, we want to find solutions that are 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1 and 2 gamma plus 1. So if x is here representing my alpha, beta and gammas, then I want to find 2x plus 1 equals our new variable w. Now what I need to do from here is to rearrange the subject, make x the subject. So there we are. So it's going to be w minus 1 over 2 is our value of x, and we're going to be substituting that in to our formula up here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so there we are. We've substituted in w minus 1 over 2 for x in our original polynomial. So now all we have to do is expand the brackets, and I can see in the question as well it wants integer coefficients, so at some point I'm going to need to be timesing through by a value so that I don't have any fractions. But let's expand the brackets to start with, and I'll probably expand first the denominators on my fractions. So we'll start with 1 over, and then 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and then it's going to be w minus 1 cubed plus, and then 2 squared is 4, so it's going to be plus 3 over 4 if I pull out the denominator. The next one's going to be pulling out the denominator, 5 over 2 w minus 1, and then it's going to be just minus 1 at the end. So what I'll do now is I will times through it by 8, so I will get w minus 1 cubed. So if I'm timesing through by 8, I've got a denominator of 4, I just times the top by 2, so it's going to be 6 w minus 1 squared. Timesing through by 8, so there's 2 on the bottom there, so I need to times by 4 on the top. That makes a 20, and timesing through by 8, I need a minus 8 at the end as well. So I've definitely got integer coefficients now. Now I just need to expand this equation. I'm going to use a little shortcut in the binomial expansion chapter from A-Level Maths. The first part's going to be w cubed minus 3w squared add 3w minus 1. Now you can either do this the long way and expand out 3 brackets like this, or you can notice that the Pascal's triangle row is 1, 3, 3, 1, and we need alternating signs in here as it's a minus 1 in the bracket. So that's going to be the first bracket, and then it's going to be add 6 lots of w minus 1 squared. That would be w squared minus 2w plus 1. And then it's going to be add 20 w minus 20, and then take away the 8 as well. So let's group together all the terms. W cubed, that's that. 6w squared, take away 3w squared, that would be plus 3w squared. That's that bit and that bit. 3w, take away 12w, that would be minus 9w. Add 20w, that would be plus 11w. And minus 1, add 6, that would be 5. 28, 5 take away 28 will be minus 23. So there we are. There is the polynomial that will give solutions of 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1, and 2 gamma plus 1. 5 marks.